welcome everybody to Wednesday, August 12th stream for Gift. Want to start at 6:30 today. Late night last night. I was pretty busy. I don't know where Chan is, to be honest. He'll be on pretty soon here. Just put the live stream on the website. Should be good to go. Give me a moment. All right, let's look. The pairs now. Euro USD monthly straight consolidation, weekly definitely hit a support and the resistance. Daily hit a support. Now it's pushing back up. 4 hourly is pushing up too, but it made a lower low than yesterday, so we gotta keep an eye on that. Why are these two still here? Sorry, I got sidetracked. Okay, so hourly looks like it's retracing a little bit. That's why you have to break it down in lower time frames. We get the 30 minute created a high, found a support. I think this might just be a support and a little liquidity wick to push up higher. I don't know. It's kind of stuck in this range right now. Not really gonna force any trade in that range. So let's look at USD CAD. Second, got something else popped up on my screen. Hold up, give me a few moments. All right, let's get started again. I'm checking something real quick. Give me a moment. All right, we're good now. Damn, did this go up then? This must have gone up. Yeah, this is going up. I told you the bullish market structure. This was gonna go up, so I was waiting. That 30 minute was a wick. honestly looks like a long play right now. Really should have been paying more attention to it because the long came right when it broke here. So 75 and then 85, 10 pips. But now I think with the 80 breaking, it's going to hit this top area at 118. And then from 118, it'll probably break above for another 20 pips. It seems like that momentum is going to carry it. And I feel like dollar is like consolidating still, but yeah, okay, let's go to USD CAD. So USD CAD, same thing. It's like the opposite of Euro USD right now. So you have the wick up, and now you're going down. You're gonna hit this support level at 132.50 area. So from this price, it's about 20 pips. And if you look at the 4 hour, it does look like it's gonna head down there. Yeah, even on the hourly, it's about to break previous day's low. You have this big bearish momentum. You have the support over here. Right when it breaks the support, it's a clear fall down. Is there any news today? Oh, CPI. CPI was good though. That's weird then. So CPI was good, but the US dollar still dropped. Pound USD, pretty much like Euro USD against the US dollar. It means US dollar is weaker. This is gonna go up. It's kind of in this range right now. So now you have a pretty well-defined range on pound USD. So basically, sells are gonna be safe below these levels, and buys are gonna be safe above those levels. But I think that's gonna happen during the London session, so there's no point trading that. Pound CAD, I might actually have to take this off the watch list. This is just too. Look at that, it's weird. I mean, that's Asian session, but even yesterday was that choppiness. It's like a lower low and then a higher high. It's just consolidating. I think right when it broke this level, 9 o'clock it started to drop. Other than that, it's been pretty choppy. My OG baby girl gold found a support, I guess. Look at that. Tested one of the levels, 1862. But I kept all these levels down here just in case, right? You never know how it's going to react to them. So if you look, $19.32 is actually a big level. I did say it would reach somewhat down here. I thought it would go lower, maybe 18.45, but it looks like it tapped down here, finding a new level up here. Yeah, I think it's just gonna stay like this. I think next week you might get a little move up, but obviously you don't want to catch a falling knife on it. Same with silver too. Silver's a little bit more choppy. I mean, there's a clear breakdown here where I kind of messed up, and I mean that breakdown in itself was about, that's a bad $3 move. Holy shit. I think we're gonna wait for the volatility kind of slow down on this. Maybe I'll catch like longer term plays. That's kind of my goal on gold. Maybe I'll try to catch the longer term plays than anything else. Because if you look, even after the long I had yesterday, yeah. Maybe go for bigger moves on a smaller position for that. Let's go back to Euro USD. Let's look. Let's see if it actually gets up here. We had this big fake out on the downside. I think that was a liquidity grab, post news, liquidity grab, and then it shot up right away. And I'm pretty sure, I can't really see on the 5 minute, we'll go to 1 minute. Yeah, I guess 6:30 moves down, but then you see all these big candlesticks up. With all these big candlesticks up around 76, 78 area, that would have been the momentum play upwards. Should just pay more attention. I was too busy on my other screen looking at some stuff. That's alright. Do expect Euro USD to tap into 118 though. That just seems very likely for it. I feel like it will do that. And there it goes. We're about to tap into those levels. Are you texting? Oh, I didn't get text. Hold up, let me invite Chan in here.
Morning.
What up? What up?
Much, man. What up with you?
Just chilling, watching Euro USD fly. I'm not in it though. I was like,
I won't trade news. Fuck that.
yeah, there's news.
At 6:30, I know.
Yeah, that move down and then the move up. But the move up was pretty well defined, like on the 1 minute. After it broke out of here, I was saying like 78, 79. That was it. I was like looking at some stuff on my other screen while it happened though. So I didn't even see this happen, but after it broke like that resistance, I feel like that was a nice move up. And now when you go to this 15-minute close, I do it's gonna test like 118, I think.
Yeah. I hope it breaks 118. So then we can long, just like we wanted to.
Yep.
Yep.
118.10 to 118.20, the easiest 20 pips of your life. We'll see. Bro,
So
gold and silver are just too nuts.
do you trade it?
No, hell no. After I got killed on silver yesterday.
Wait, so you shorted it, right?
Yeah, I had the long and the short on it yesterday.
And you made money on both. What do you mean you killed it?
Oh, afterwards, I was just like on the computer still looking at it, and I think like, where was it? So 10:30, right?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
So this bullish candlestick, I bought it at like 27.14.
Yeah.
And I was waiting, and I had my stop like right here.
Yeah.
Because I thought it would like, you know, kind of have a wick down and push up, but then like
Yeah.
it had this candlestick at 10:30. And I was like, and then I realized after that was just the retarded trade. I was just getting too greedy. Reality, yeah, it did break down, and of course the short was well defined, but I should have just stopped and just looked up my own shit, close the charts and shit.
Yeah.
Same mistake another day, man. Fuck me.
That's all good.
And Euro USD's ripping.
Oh, it's all good with me
Did you enter it or no?
now. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna have to buy some.
Fair enough. I wanted to enter it on this break, but fucking got caught up in some shit. It's all good.
Yeah, I'm just looking at my stop there.
Your buy stop?
Yeah. At 1809. Buy stop.
I go, yeah, 1809 looks good. I think, with the 4 hour, the hour, the daily looks the nicest though. Nice little wick down, taps into support, and then boom, pop up.
Yeah. 1809. Let's just go. Yeah. Big candlesticks. Let's go.
Hour looks nice. Yeah, it does look nice. But I think I'll go 110. I'll go 10 to 30, 10 to 20, and 32.
Yeah.
So See how that goes.
Yeah. Just one trade. 10 to, yeah, man. 10 to 20 is for sure. Gives me 2 positions.
Right when it breaks there, yeah, I think it's a for sure one too.
Yeah. Trades always pan out how we want them to. Just sometimes it's just a day later, a couple of days late.
For real, man.
Buy stop 118. Yeah, I'm gonna put buy stop at 118.092.
Alright.
And then TP at 118.19.2. That's one. Of course, you need the baby runner for myself here, 20%. Same thing.
I think on the 7 o'clock. Actually, no, there's 10 more minutes till this finishes. It could just pop up. It's a dollar index looking. How's the night last night?
Dude, I fucking slept so early. I was supposed to read my cue cards and do simulation, but I was reading them and at like 10:15 I just passed out for 20 minutes. I'm like, okay, well,
that's good, man. No?
There's no point simulating when I want to go to sleep.
Yeah, I mean, you need sleep. So.
Yeah.
So I'm more rested today anyway. Did you sleep in? Or are you just gonna want it to come on at like 6:32?
Yeah, I mean, I think a big reason for me was like, I was up at 5:55 and then I remember the news was at 6:30 and I also remembered simulation. If I trade before the news, I got smoked.
Yeah, it's standard.
So I'm just like, yeah, I'll just wait. And typically there is always a move after the news. But the news is pretty flat today though. I mean,
it beat expectations. That's why it had like the initial move downwards. But in reality, I think the move's happening after. Like we say, like wait for like after the news for the reaction.
Yeah.
Because for every action, there's a reaction.
Yeah, man, you're throwing physics in this right now.
It's true though. For every action, the move downwards here, 6:30. Even on the 1 minute, you look, it's like a nice little sell-off at 6:30. There's a reaction, boom, 20 pips. That was it right there. I was looking at it too, but fucking got caught up on some other shit. It's all good.
What time is this? News is crazy. Right back.
Okay.
How was your night?
Just chilling. I'm gonna make it a thing to shoot around on that court more often. I shot around last night too. It's so fun, dude.
Just by yourself?
Not with the girl too. She came, but it's actually so fun. I'm gonna go at like instead of me trading after 9 o'clock, I'm just gonna go for an hour shoot every day now.
Damn.
What?
He's practicing.
Well, dude, I was so rusty on fucking Sunday. It's not.
How many air balls?
A lot for shot airball. I can't wait to see yours.
Oh, buddy, I ain't shooting worth shit. Layups. I'm gonna fucking airball a layup.
That's all. Look at this.
Yeah, I know. One thing I think I won't lose is my D. Because now my cardio's back. My cardio's back.
Yeah, defense is all. My defense was sick. I got a block on Neil too. I was so happy.
It's like, fuck you, Neil.
Well, no, just in general, defense and rebounding. I felt like Dennis Rodman. Just air balls, rebounding, and defense.
Yeah.
So it's brick layups
Black,
too, man.
yeah.
It was disgusting. It was just
Yeah.
awful. I hit one layup out of fucking like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to drive the 20 minutes, you come to the court every 9 a.m.
I don't know if I'm gonna do that at 9 o'clock at night.
No, in the morning,
If it's
9
earlier.
a.m. I'm gonna go
Wait.
like right after trading, so I don't fucking look at the charts and trade more, right? So if I go do that, then I get fresh air, clear my mind, and like work out after, do other shit
Only if we go for lunch after.
every day. Let me get more consistent.
What are you guys
at trading.
doing? Like Cecilia calls me. I'm having brunch
Every day.
every fucking day. Yeah, I mean, I want to go. I want to get some. I do want to shoot around. I know I'm fucking rusty.
Yeah. Well, anytime 9 a.m. man.
Yeah.
You know. It's a good court. You'll see. It's actually like one of the better outdoor courts. And I feel like it's going to be good to like September. I don't even know when uni's going to open up, but we could probably use this to like September end or something.
Yeah.
So.
I do want to play at uni too.
Mm-hmm.
You know. This ball, man. Not gonna lie there. 1 hour trip.
Uni is ideal to play at, so.
Damn, that was an entry. I'm a roach. 82. 72 would have been right there. Yeah, we could have had cowboy entry. That would have been a better cowboy entry. I'm just talking about the Euro USD. That's just sure if we look at like the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, 82, 10 pips would have been a good stop for that. Or even if you wanted to play just the wicks, 5. Because when it flips bearish, 5 or like 50%, and then after that, when it flips back bullish, that's the other 50%.
Yeah, that's so true.
Here comes the push. Let's go. I guess the first train of thought is that it's going to push back up, trying to make a new high. But we would have been out by the new high. But the safest bets is above this area.
Well, yeah, that's what I feel like above the area. Like, you mean the area we drew out yesterday?
Yeah, if it breaks the wicks, it's shooting.
Yeah,
I mean,
100%.
this thing is poised to break out. Like, its body, I mean, its structure is way better than yesterday's structure. And
Yeah.
plus, it made like a wick, like, if you count like 30 minutes, right? Let me just annotate on your screen here.
You do your thing.
Like right here, compared to here, this essentially the first circle that I drew, this one is essentially a liquidity grab on a higher time frame.
Yeah, no, that's a daily wick. That's
Yeah.
Hey, we're tapped into support over here.
Yeah.
We'll see how this candlestick opens. I hope it goes down before going
But
up.
yeah, so strong, man.
Oh yeah.
And plus, if the first time it doesn't work, probably the second time it's gonna probably call.
Oh yeah, 100%. I think looking for longs today is probably the most reasonable thing to do. So.
And then if you look at day, and you know one thing, so I was on my run yesterday. I was just thinking too, like thinking about trading, thinking about what we could do differently. I just was wondering. It's like, I wonder how big of effect trading and how just probability wise how much you're gonna be like a winner if, let's just say for example, if we did like a sensitivity analysis. So a sensitivity analysis, if you change one factor and you keep everything the same. So I mean, and what I mean by that is, so smaller time frames is all about looking for entries. That's all a G, right?
Yeah.
But like obviously, like we've always mentioned, longer time frames is what is the image or the outline of the trade.
Yeah.
So essentially, like what you were saying today and stuff, or like what you're saying today about how like the daily looks nice. If all we looked at, or even when we do it through simulation, if all we looked at is based off of the daily, where we think the daily is, and we only take trades on like that direction. So let's just say that, like, for example, we don't have to use today, but let's just say if we used August 8th, because if you look at August 6th or August 7th on the daily, that was a down day and it broke a couple of levels. So anticipation wise, we would think the next day would have been a down day as well for August 10th. And because of that, we would only take shorts for that day. I mean, obviously run this through simulation, but kind of just to see, does our odds kind of change? If you took 3 trades, same direction.
So when you go to the daily, sorry, I'll do that again.
Yeah. So if you look at the daily, if you look at August 6th, right? Or August 7th, right? That was a down day and broke 2 days of levels, right?
Yeah.
August 6th, right? So anticipation wise, we would say that, hey, August 10th, which is probably, I think it's a Monday, right? It's going to be a down day. Because the previous day it broke down kind of the levels, right?
Yeah.
And then just be like, we're only, if we're going to do position, it will be always looking for shorts.
Well, we would have got killed.
What do you mean?
Because if you look at 6 o'clock, we're looking for shorts.
August 10th?
Yeah, 6 o'clock on August 10th. Intraday goes up 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock, 7:30. The short came afterwards.
No, I agree. I'm just thinking like simulation wise, like
simulation wise.
Like if you were only looking for shorts, obviously, like I
think you gotta look for both sides too. Because even yesterday, if we were just looking for longs, like you wouldn't have got the short. You got the short too. So I think you're gonna get your idea based off daily, especially momentum and breakout like this. But I think when it's stuck in a range like this, you gotta look for both sides. So if it's even if you have like one down day here, like if it broke this level, then I agree, you just look for shorts. Because after it breaks like that support, then you know it's gonna go down further. But if it's like stuck in between here, then I think you gotta play both sides. Whatever the market gives you. Because like even on your example, the daily time frame, you're right. It would be shorts based off the daily, and the shorts did happen, to be fair, but it happened at 12:30.
Yeah. Wait, was it news on Monday too? I drove
this
the price
one.
up?
No, drove price up. No, that was just pure price action. 4 o'clock, it had to move down, and then right at like 6 o'clock, it started pushing up. I remember we called this trade after too, right? Where it's like 1780 to 90 would be an easy trade. But I do agree, like based off daily structure, but
no, I know, I'm just throwing it like as an idea. I wonder if it's going to change the way we look at things.
It probably will. I mean, we usually do base it off the higher time frame structure, but the ability to adapt, in my opinion. The key,
that's true.
because like we adapted here. The daily was short bias, but the range actually made it a buy intraday.
Yeah.
I mean, if we were looking at it still, the short is pretty nice amplitude right here.
Yeah.
Didn't you get that short
I forgot. Maybe.
on Monday?
I'm
You were
not
telling
sure.
me you shorted it and you got it.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I did for 10 pips.
Yeah, so I mean the moves are there. Just gotta,
They are.
ain't nothing to it but to do it, man. Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Well, now I'm just waiting for Euro to break. Just break past 20 pips. Let's go.
Let's get back on the Euro. I feel like it's gonna break. I mean, the structure looks pretty good. The
Yeah.
hour didn't. I wanted the hour to go lower before going up, but I mean, if it just pushes up, then that's good too.
Yeah. There's a little wick.
Yeah,
A little.
tiny baby way.
Tiny baby.
But even if it doesn't today, right? Hear me out. So if this stays like this today, kind of in this range, tomorrow I'm looking for longs.
Yeah. Because the daily would have confirmed it. It would have filled the wick from the previous August 11th. So then
Yeah.
you'd anticipate to make it back up to like 18. I would say
80.
1890s.
Yeah, 1890s. Well, you get the weekly wick fill too, right? The weekly looks nice, wick down, push up, but you're at this like resistance.
Yeah.
So even if this closes here, that's perfect. You got a little wick down and a push up. Still got like
That's at least a 60, 70 pip move at the very least, even if it doesn't fill the entire wick.
yeah. I mean that's still runs. 1810 safe buys go up, or if you want to be a cowboy, you can like enter on a support or something.
Yeah.
A little gauger.
Yeah. Fuck. Should have done the gauger on this one.
Yeah, I think so. That would have been nice.
Because, if you train the 30 minutes, you expect to wick down. Oh, wait, was it 15? It was 15 minutes. Yeah, it was 15-minute chart. Whereas I trained 20 minutes.
It's hard to keep track now.
It's hard to. Yeah, if you put a gauger, that was a 20 pip move, or with. Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe I need to think like that. Like, if you put the gauger, which is half a position, then that essentially means you have 20 pips. So then for the 620 candlestick, that would have been the whole position.
Yeah.
But then, and then when it flips back bullish, which is only 40.2 pips, that's not bad. You put another 10, and you've been out. Main thing is just to be out. Out quick and easy.
That's the best trades. I was talking to it about for like with a buddy yesterday. I'm like, and it kind of made sense. It's like when the trades go our way within like 30 minutes, we are profitable. But anything like long, if we're holding a trade too long, then or like even like 10 minutes if it goes our way, it's nice and we're profitable. But anything we hold longer, we usually get killed on.
I mean, forecasts are the worst when it comes to longer time frames in any aspect.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's why I think like longest forecast like on Wall Street, anyways, is 5 years. Because they get, I guess, like for fundamentals wise, things are intact. But then again, you could have like coronavirus and you just throw everything in the garbage.
Yeah, that's true.
You have to recalculate.
Coronavirus put a fucking shitter on all the forecasts.
Yeah. Come on, break, buddy.
See the Flames win yesterday or what?
Oh, no, I didn't. I was just watching not really watching, just keeping tabs on the score. I was hoping, is it Dubes. Dubé. I was hoping he was going to get a hat trick.
Yeah, that would be
That's
sick.
nice for him.
Good secondary scorer too.
Yeah, but we need Gaudreau to step up as usual. I
Yeah.
don't think he got an assist or anything.
No, he usually kind of fades in the playoffs, unfortunately. I think the higher intensity.
Yeah.
Okay. But yo, Damian Lillard and Devin Booker fucking.
Oh, dude, man. And the thing is, like, I don't know what happened, but Devin Booker's games changed. Now he's more overall.
Yeah, he was practicing during quarantine while playing Warzone too. Apparently, Rohit and shit got killed by Devin Booker one game.
He must have been hacking. I'm just joking.
No. Booker's actually like one of the better Warzone athlete players.
McGee's really good.
Yeah, he's killing it right now.
McGee with his knife throws. I was watching, like, yeah.
McGee.
But I'm glad, though. As a Lakers fan, I'm glad I'm not seeing him post anything on YouTube. That means he's doing what he's supposed to do in his practice.
Yeah. Yo, Portland or Phoenix? Actually, Portland versus Lakers would be a good series. Phoenix would get killed by Lakers, even though.
Yeah. I mean, if I remember correctly, I remember Phoenix in the start of the season had a killer season.
Start? Yeah, they were doing good at the start.
I think they were like, what is it, like 7-2 or 7-3, but then they faded.
Yeah.
But then again, though, Anton was freaking, he got banned for 20 games for drugs, or 40
Anton,
games.
bro.
Oh, no, was that Aton? Or Aton?
DeAndre.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I remember that. He was killing it. Then he got suspended for PEDs.
Yeah. I don't know. Their team's good.
Still missing like Kevin Johnson, I think. Some OG player. Pretty sure it's Kevin Johnson. Oh no, Monty Williams. No fucking wonder.
Monty Williams, eh?
That's why.
Man, he's a beloved coach, and I feel bad for what happened to him.
Yeah. He's a good coach. No wonder they're doing good. His wife died. Unfortunately.
Wife and daughter, wasn't it?
No,
in
I think just accident? Wife in a car accident.
Damn.
Still rough though.
Yeah. But yeah, Monty's sick, man. Love him. I guess, like, obviously the team loves him, because if the team didn't like him, there wouldn't be a good team.
Usually teams respond well to better coaches, right? Like, Monty Williams is one.
Because they have good pieces.
Yeah, I think they're missing that one, like, I don't know, it's just that one person who could get you like 20 points consistently day in, day out.
They need like defense. A Covington. Honestly, man,
that's it.
Houston like picked up such a sick guy. Like, I don't even know why Philly left Covington. Like, are you talking about, Covington's like basically like a Dennis Rodman.
Yeah, they traded him for
his steals and defense. He's
Butler
like crazy.
Last year.
Every time I look at a game and I look at his stats, he has like 2 steals, 1 block, or like vice versa.
Yeah, no, Covington's sick, but they traded him for Butler last year, which is a better trade. But it was just like a 1-year rental.
Yeah, 1 year. See, it's the funny thing is, like, you take those risky bets. Sometimes they pay off, most times they don't. Because Butler hates the team. The only time it paid off I could remember that actually paid off was Leonard. Yeah,
Leonard did. But the thing is, if you look at Philly was the second best team last year in the East.
Were they?
They took through the 7 games to the Raptors, and they off one lucky shot. In the playoffs, I mean, during the season, obviously it was the Bucks, but like playoffs, definitely it was Philly. They're the only team that took the Raptors to 7, and that's because like, that was a sick series last year.
And also Nurse, man, honestly crazy.
Well, players just respond better to better coaches. Like, remember DeMarcus Cousins when he had Mike Malone on the Kings? He was killing it. Right after they fired Mike Malone, he started to lose it, and then he got traded.
His cousin's still on the Lakers.
No, he got let go because he had the torn ACL this time. Or Achilles. But yeah, you look at Popovich, respond well to him. The OG George Karl.
Spurs is not going to make it for the playoffs. It's just too hot. Memphis, Portland.
They should have a play-in tournament, like series, so they have like all 4 teams seeded. So it'd be like 1 versus 4. No, 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3, and then the winner of each plays each other, and whoever wins the 2 games gets a playoff spot.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. But now Portland's in it, and I think if Memphis loses today and the Suns win, then the Suns, Portland would be in it. Yeah, Memphis is playing Milwaukee, so they're probably going to lose. Spurs playing Utah, that's tough. Portland's playing Brooklyn, and Phoenix playing Dallas. So Portland's in for sure. But the thing with the 8 spot in the West is they have a play-in game. So it'd be 8 and 9 play each other. So it'd probably be Portland and Phoenix playing each other. That game is going to be fucking rowdy, I'll tell you that much.
Wait, sorry. Can you say that again? So what does that mean? Like,
so they did it since there was like, I think, how many teams? There was 7 teams in the West still competing for that last playoff spot.
Yeah.
So what they did is made, like, if you're 8th and if you're 9th, there's a play-in game. So you play 8 versus 9.
Yeah.
On the seeding, and whoever wins that game goes to the playoffs. So it's like sudden death.
The series or just one game?
Just one game, sudden death.
Oh man, that's like.
And it's gonna be Portland and Phoenix.
That's like the finals atmosphere type of game.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be sick. I haven't really watched.
Yeah, they should make a mini series best of 5.
No, they don't have time for that.
That'd be sick, man.
But that would take 10 days. They don't have 10 days to let everyone.
Hey man, LeBron and the OGs and the Lakers need rest.
Mm-hmm. They need to get their shit together, bro. They almost lost against the Denver second unit.
What was it?
Dude, Denver was playing fucking Mason Plumlee, Bull, some random ass like 8 and below bench players.
Honestly, man, I think our defense has gone down quite a bit, and I think the reason why is because of Avery Bradley not there. Yeah,
that was a big loss.
Like, that's a huge loss. Like, our team almost feels like a little bit different.
Because Bradley would give you that defense that you need.
Yeah. Then what else?
I feel like they play too big with JaVale and AD. Like, I like them both for sure. And I like JaVale. He's coming up quite a bit. But they play so big, bro.
JaVale, yeah, that's true. That's like Showtime Lakers. Want the lobs and stuff like that.
Yeah,
the thing is, though, like, AD, though, can shoot.
Yeah, he could shoot 2 long mid-range and 3s, too.
So he opens the floor. And plus, it's AD.
Apparently, he never liked playing center, though. That's why he always likes to play power forward. And he has a center there. I think he just gets, like, beat up in the paint because all the centers stay inside.
And if you want someone, like, I would put Dwight as center. Just the guy that's going to bulldoze and show you what's up.
I think that's why he's coming off the bench, too, right? Because he has more room to operate. I think when you have AD JaVale, this works out better. But when you got Dwight in there alone, it's like the magic. Dwight's pretty good, too, man. He's got better.
I think they played Dwight, and then, is it
AD.
Morris?
Yeah, Morris.
Yeah, and small forward. And then who would be shooting guard? Kuzma and then LeBron.
Kuzma's starting, surprisingly.
Is he? Yeah. Well, I mean, they're starting to trust him more. And plus, he is being that offense that they need.
Yeah, the 3 guy. Inconsistent.
People need to start focusing on Kuzma because most of the time it's focusing on AD and LeBron. But, like, the Denver game, when AD got the ball, you think he was gonna drive in or something? Because all they needed was it 2 points? No,
Yeah.
2 points to tie the game, anyways.
No, I think it was tied, wasn't it? They had the last shot to win. Yeah, it was tied. They just had one shot to win.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, so it was tied, so they could have gone to overtime.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, everyone was focusing on AD because, I mean, I would think that AD was just going to drive it in.
Kuzma's been inconsistent, though. I think the game before he had like 10 points, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
They killed it last game. We'll see, though. I think they should start. They're starting Danny Green, McGee, AD, LeBron for sure. But they need like a guard. I feel like if you put Kuzma in there, who's gonna guard Lillard?
No, it's honestly gonna be Caruso.
Yeah, Caruso in the starting
playing
five.
good on D. I mean, honestly though, I don't care who you're gonna put on Lillard. It's gonna be hard. I know LeBron's not gonna be guarding Lillard. He's too quick for LeBron.
Yeah, hell no, he's not guarding Lillard.
So that has to be Caruso. I don't think Kuzma defensively is that good to guard.
No, he's not that good. He's probably gonna be guarding like their power.
Honestly, it
forward.
would have been Bradley.
Yeah, it would have been Avery Bradley, but he's nowhere to be seen, man.
So I'm just thinking, who would guard Lillard? And then you still have McCollum too, who can like get hot.
He has a fractured back, unfortunately. Last game yesterday, he wasn't playing too well. That's because he had a fractured back for a little while.
How long is he? If he's not out, he's just gonna play through injury.
Yeah, he's just gonna play through injury, but that's still rough.
It's rough.
No, Lakers are gonna win. I feel like if they had McCollum, it'd be a pretty good series because McCollum and Lillard would be good.
Honestly, if the COVID didn't happen, I would say the odds of Lakers winning was higher. But
Yeah.
I think it was like coming off from kind of Kobe's death and everything like that. But
They had
like
momentum.
once you have 3 months off, 4 months off, or is it 5 months off? You kind of like lose that.
Nah, I don't know. It's like anyone's game.
Yeah.
We'll see. Philly ain't making it. Their stars are injured.
Oh, dude, yeah, Philly. I was looking at their roster. Their whole starting lineup's injured.
I know, man. That's
Like,
rough.
who is it? Is it Horford? Injured. Embiid's injured. Simmons is out for the season. I forgot another dude was out. Like, yeah, they're done.
Yeah, Philly's done.
Philly's done for sure.
I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. I think Miami's gonna be good. So Miami, Milwaukee.
Miami's always good, man. The reason why Miami's always good is they're like of all the teams, their team's probably the most fit.
Yeah, they work hard, right? So
Yeah, what I heard was they had like a crazy cardio program there, like crazy. Apparently, you get you know how like when you're tired and stuff, like I do this all the time. It's like you start to put your hands on your knees and you lean forward, and it's kind of like a resting position.
yeah.
I heard they get fined like $500 or something every time that like they do that.
Damn, wow.
Yeah. Because that shows that you're tired, right? And that means your cardio is not where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, you can't really show that.
If you're resting, your hand should be like holding your hips, for example, standing straight.
Yeah, but not
Right?
on your knees, leaning over.
Yeah. So I heard, they get fined or something. I mean, $500 isn't that much, but I mean, you do that 10 times in the game, that's $5,000. You can buy a sick rig then.
That's pretty sick, though. Miami's gonna be good. I feel like, that team's gonna be good. Philly's gonna be out. Indiana's toss up. Boston, Toronto. So it's gonna be like Milwaukee, Toronto, Boston, Miami out the East.
Yeah.
And then the West. Basically everybody.
Yeah, West is, I don't know, man. Every team you talk about in the West has somewhat of a chance. Like, this is, I don't know. It'll be interesting West
Probably
series.
tiers like Lakers, Clippers. I'd say Houston's up there too.
Houston is, yeah.
And then the next tier is like Denver, OKC, Utah, and then
Yeah.
the toss-up's gonna be Dallas, and then Portland or Phoenix, whoever makes it.
But yeah, it's to be interesting, especially at the. I think there might be some upsets. There's the people that were clawing to play into the playoffs. They've gone that momentum.
Oh yeah. But when you get to playoffs, it's different intensity. Like even looking at LeBron, he had 1 rebound last game. He's probably just chilling.
One rebound.
Yeah.
That's crazy. But he turns it up.
Yeah, he does.
I mean, I think in fourth quarter and stuff, he got like a couple threes. But I remember I was looking at his score. He had like, I don't know, 15 points, 17 points. And then by 4 minutes in, he had like 27, 28. Just ready to go.
Yeah, he can turn it up at any point. I think he's just saving it, resting himself a little bit.
And it's smart because he wants his other team members to touch the ball, get some shots up, because you don't know when you'll have to rely on them. And you don't want to rely on them when they're cold as hell.
Yeah, exactly. It'd be interesting.
Life is very interesting, that's for sure. Damn, 30-minute. I like how it closes.
Doji at the top.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Well, now you know a break above the wicks. I think it'll pop up. But as for you can play the shorts too, man. Never know. Should we go on our little 1, 2?
That's a huge resistance. It might not break through. But then again, I might get faked out.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah, safest bets is buy stops. And one thing I realized too is like, I think we constantly need to like, so we try to pan out trades, right?
Yeah.
But there's some areas that we should have buy stops and sell stops.
Yeah,
Because
100%.
Yeah, those areas hit. Like yesterday, for example, when it went down. Okay, if you're what you're looking at, 30 minute right now. Yeah, stay on that one here. Is when it went down here, right? Broke this level here, right? We didn't do anything, but honestly, like having sell stops. Wait, how much was that? Yeah, because if you look at the hour, it was just like click on the hour chart there.
Hour chart? Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Yeah. Like, you see that was just the wick. But it did break all levels and stuff, wick. And then I think on the smaller time frames, you did see it form below, like kind of this level here.
Yeah.
Right? So then just like having a sell stop after the wick, like around like here. Below like the previous kind of support. Because if it was going to go, it's a test, it's going to go back down. And that was easily 10 pips you could find right there.
This candlestick was 10 pips easily right here.
Yeah.
Even, I don't know, here to here. Yeah, 10, 13 pips.
Yeah.
This next candlestick you'd have gone. Oh, it's 9 o'clock anyways. That don't matter. But yeah, this candlestick, that's easy 10 pips, potential wick fill. But yeah, I know what you mean on that.
Yeah. And even here too, it's just like, there you see a wick down, it's trying to make it go lower and stuff. I'm not saying we're going to be trading because that was at 12 o'clock, but it's just kind of like the same setup.
It is. Those setups are always nice.
Yeah. I mean, it could go up because, like, if you kind of look at that, for example, you're like, okay, well, like, hey, like, it's found support somewhat, even if it's a bearish candlestick. But we know if we have one bearish candlestick, most of the time, odds are the second will be a bearish candlestick. Yeah. Unless you get like a green candlestick like back up to here, then you would have said that, okay, then looking for longs is like more doable.
Well, yeah, if this support held and then the previous high broke, then yeah, that's green.
Yeah, like that, right? But then like if you had like a sell stop below the wick here. Where how many pips is that? Like right here.
Below the wick?
Yeah.
12.
That was 12 pips, yeah. Boom.
Boom.
Wow, 30-minute, 15-minute close, nice too.
Yeah, 30-minute actually closed pretty nice here.
20-minute. Is that the liquidity grab? A little mini liquidity grab?
Close pretty nice. I think it'll pop up. I might buy stop, yo. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the washroom.
Okay. I might as well make coffee. All right, let's look at the news for today. let's talk about some news. Wow, next Lebanon government faced with the 30 billion reform test. Lebanon may be in line for $300 million in emergency aid after Beirut port blast. But more than 30 billion, some estimate it may need to rebuild its shattered economy, will not be forthcoming without any reform. That's tough. Oh, another company filed for bankruptcy. Steinmart announced it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on Wednesday, sending shares down 35%. The company plans to close most, if not all, of its stores. What is Steinmart? Never heard of it. Oh, wow. It's 17 cents on NASDAQ. Crazy. Retail companies are so hard to trade. Steinmart is American discount men and women's department store chain based in Jacksonville, Florida. The company reported a profit of $25 million in 2013 and the operations of 260 stores in 29 states. Founded in 1902. Dang. Rough. Ooh, Tesla stocks. Yes, they did a split. Went up 5%. Dang, it is right. Well,
how's it going?
I don't know. Euro is chilling, is all I gotta say.
Yeah, I think the move was that breakout here. That was the first trade.
Yeah.
20 pips. Missed it. It's all good though. Shit happens. Shit happens.
6:15. Yeah. 5 to 10 minutes. That wick. That freaking wick you hear. Yeah, because it did hit 18, but I don't know. Someone's over at the 18 level not letting it get broken, that's for sure.
Yeah, there's a big level over there. Massive.
Come on. Let's go.
Ooh, is it gonna drop?
Is it?
I don't know. Is it? Damn. Oh, hour going bearish. Damn. 15-minute, 5-minute. Interesting.
It's a clean drop. It's a clean drop. Oh man.
Just in this like little area. I feel like, what if something like this happens? It's like, yo.
Then we shall wait.
Yeah, we shall wait.
Wait for it to happen. Man, is you're not even gonna try to make like a wick, top wick like you did yesterday?
Like this?
Yeah.
It made top wicks.
No, like something like that though. Like nice long wicks up.
Oh,
Is
long
that...
wicks. Yeah.
Oh.
Start snoring.
Just passed out on the stream. I wonder if everyone's doing that.
Probably.
Yeah.
Is this good? Fuck, I had this USD CAD short too. Same time Euro drop, but I was like, fuck, I was busy on my other monitor doing something. Just been paying attention. It's all good.
Wait, did you get that short or no?
No, I wanted to, but I was like on my other monitor actually looking at some things. But it's all good.
Oh gee.
Missed a couple. Happy I didn't chase. Usually I chase it, and then if I chase it, I've been fucked, I guess.
Yeah.
Wednesday seems like just done, dude.
We'll move. It'll come.
Yeah.
It'll come. We just have to be alert and always analyze. That's one trap I always fall for. Well, 3 minute found support.
I feel like tomorrow's the day. I don't know. I just have that feeling tomorrow is the day.
If it forms below, if Euro forms below 1860, 1786, I might short. If it forms below, even on like the 3 minute or like the 5 minute.
Okay. I might chill. I don't see 85 to 75 maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Actually.
it's just one candlestick. And your traffic is like around the 70s area.
Yeah, maybe like this move or something.
Yeah, so
Anticipate that.
yeah,
Honestly, I wouldn't even mind not trading today, but we'll see. Gotta get more into the habit.
The buy stop's there, and then I don't know. Maybe I should put like a sell stop, but I don't know. It's like it's a bullish day,
Mm-hmm.
so like sells are gonna be risky. That's why just like for me, I'd rather take longs, but we'll see.
Same, man. Same.
We'll see.
I'm actually gonna work on the content on the site right now while I wait. Get that done with.
Yeah. Yeah, let's talk about the site then.
So you like the blog? I just put the classic picture on the background of everyone.
Yeah.
Main page, all the categories. Investing basics, blog has this music. It's loud. Investing basics, I put the blog.
Yeah, I see.
At the bottom, and that has all the top 3 categories in it.
Yeah.
So, and then when you go to like risk and return, that's just risk and return blog. I don't know what content you're gonna have on there yet, but basically that will be on that. So it's basically organized into everything, which is nice. Now we just gotta do the content, which is what I'm gonna do with the rewards of trading right now. And honestly, for the content, it's just gonna be a few lines. It's not gonna be too much. It's gonna be like an explanation of it. And in what I'm thinking is like those top videos, because you said you want it to be like 5-10 minute videos, right? And then maybe like 3 to 5 minute for like each subtopic into it.
Yeah.
So what I'm thinking is in that 5 to 10 minute introductory video, like if you go to rewards of trading, it has that big video, you know?
Yeah.
That one. Have like have the introduction and then say we have all these subtopics, a quick explanation of what they are, and then for more information on each topic, refer to the blog post and the video on that or something.
Mm-hmm.
So get all the content going there. But anything different?
Yeah.
Or
No, I basically have a little bit of a breakdown onto risk and reward.
Topics are just like whatever you can think of, right? So
yeah, I might have to just Google and just search asset classes and just feel like what do I want to talk about, right? Or what do we want to talk about type of deal. That relates. Not trying to reinvent the wheel in that sense. Oh, man. For a news day, man, this is boring.
It is pretty boring.
Boring is good. Because like now it's kind of consolidating is what I like to see. How many pips is that, honestly? 7 pips. 7 pips. Here it breaks down this. This is 10 pips. 10 pips. 10 pips. Man. I don't know. For some reason, I think taking shorts right now is just like is more riskier than it's worth. I do though, because like if it fails to break, it fails to break. But I don't know. I do have to. I know that I do have to get into the habit of like setting sell stops and buy stops.
Yeah, or setting alerts too, something like
Yeah.
that. And when
Because
the
when it
alert
goes,
pops up,
especially at certain points where it's just like, yeah, where
yeah,
else would you go?
when it goes, it does go. But right now, it just even at
It's
7:30, 7 o'clock volume hasn't really pushed it.
no, not at all, my friend. Damn.
Yo, you know what?
Well,
Here, I'm gonna do something. Just let me know if you think it's gonna be good. I'm gonna go to the blog real quick.
yeah, I'll go to the homepage. Let me know when it's ready.
Just want to test something.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna make my coffee now.
Yeah. Just want to test something.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, tank. Did your sell stop get hit?
No, I didn't put a self stop.
Yeah, I missed it too a little bit, but fuck it. It's all good.
Wow, eh? Holy smokes.
Thing tanked. That was the second trade. Boom and boom. Sell stop below here. 87. Yeah, even 85. It's gonna hit like 75 eventually. That's a huge, yeah, right.
Right there. Right here. Yeah. 10-minute just formed. Oh, and 30. An hour. Yeah, it's gonna go.
Yeah, it looks like it. The thing that scared me about this long is like this 4 hour just open bullish. There was no room to grab orders before going up. And that's like, I was like, fuck. It's all good. Yo, check out the site. Go to rewards of trading.
Rewards of trading. Okay.
Oh, you have to add a featured image. Hold on, give me a sec.
Rewards of trading, yeah.
So I'm just gonna add some random image to it, but I think it'll be like a thumbnail or something.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so it's blank right now, but you add like...
Actually, yo, even if you give me a sec, I just want to go over some things. Featured images there. Okay, add video. Add some random video. Hold up. Computer's being a little bit slow. Because I was looking at it.
73.
That was 10 pips, eh?
That was 10 pips. That was it. Wow. I'm punching in right now. It's just joking. I just canceled my buy stops.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Wow, man. God dang it. I need to be more nimble.
Yeah, I think right when I broke 30-minute low, 86 to 76, 10 pips. Oh, there it goes. It's gonna go like down here.
Because yeah, we were talking about that too. It's like
it rejected that top zone, but now we know.
Yeah.
Now we know.
Yeah, 85. Because if you even look at the 10-minute, the 20-minute chart, like, yeah, that would have broken like a bunch of levels, bodies and wicks. Yeah. See, this is what I mean. Like, just to have like those sell stops. So once it breaks a certain level, it's like there's only one way. And that was quick. That was honestly what, 5 minutes.
Yeah, that was instant. After it
Uh,
broke 80, yeah, after it broke here, made 10 minutes drop. That's the move, right?
That's the move. That's what we were talking about.
85, yeah. Never didn't execute. All
85
talk,
to 65,
no,
and that's just the runner.
basically.
It is now honestly like with this kind of momentum of it bouncing from the top, it could easily go to 1760 areas now.
Yeah, easily. So
yeah, which is the next support. So whatever. That's the name of the game, ladies and gentlemen.
it is the name of the game. But yo, go to rewards of trading real quick.
Yeah.
Refresh the page.
Okay, done.
Okay, so yeah, it's just a random picture. So you see the rewards of trading explained, right? I think I might just get rid of that and just put all the topics on the blog now that I'm looking at it. Because if you scroll down,
rewards of trading blog or what?
Yeah, rewards of trading blog, and now it's just gonna have rewards of trading, different subtopics we could think of. Just
so it's all post rewards of trading, trading basics. Is that what you mean?
Well, I think wait.
Why don't you show me on your screen?
Okay, yeah. Let me put that here. It's probably better. So right now we have it like this, right?
Yeah.
Rewards of trading, risks of trading. I'm gonna add more content, obviously, but I think I'm gonna get rid of this, for example. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we just have this, just rewards of trading. I'm gonna get rid of blog. It'll just be rewards of trading. Yeah, I guess rewards of trading blog. Have the whole video here, and then it says reference our blog for like more subtopics. So then you can have rewards of trading, risk of trading, success stories, failure stories, weighing the options, where the trading's for a person, or like even other things we come up throughout whenever. Like if we just want to go on a little tangent of rewards of trading, then just add it here, right? And then it'll be like a scrolling list. So now when you click it, and if someone wants to just view it, it'll just be like pop it up. You get here, you get a video of it if you want, and then you just get the content.
Yeah, then you just make the posts. Wait, yeah, you make the posts for that category.
Yeah, basically. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this on every page now.
Yeah, do it. I agree. But I mean, keep what you wrote there, because those are basically your ideas, right?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make the blog post right now, so it'll just be like all August 12th, all this stuff, and I think I'll just get the content done. Obviously, the video will come after, and the image.
So, talk to me about the content. So it's like specific writings about each one, or?
Yeah, basically the video, and then just like quick summary points, because I always feel like people like to read too. Because I think when you click this, and then I just have one of our old videos up. Yeah, you could play this, and then you can kind of like read maybe like 2 paragraphs, nothing too crazy, like 10 lines max.
Yeah.
Something like that. But I mean, the video is gonna be sick. Rewards of trading, have the video of us for like 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a lot better. I like the background too. It just, flows better.
Yeah, the background's it flows good.
But I think I'm just gonna fix the formatting and the content for that. So now I'm gonna have all these posts just down here.
Yeah. Rewards and trading. Okay.
And anytime we want to add something, we'll just do it. And then I guess there's like scrolling here if someone wants to like, go to like different posts on that part.
Yeah, you can always keep editing and stuff. And then does this show up all on our all posts?
Homepage?
Like posts?
Yeah.
It does, eh? Actually, no, it doesn't. Does it?
Homepage.
Rewards of trading. Oh, if I click into rewards of trading, all posts. No, it doesn't. That's good. Because if you click on rewards of trading.
Here?
No. Like when you're into that specific one. Yeah, it doesn't connect. That's good.
Yeah, it doesn't connect. There's like a way to do that. Just, you got to take the category, right?
Yeah, it's here. So then when you're at home and stuff. Wow, look at that. All the trades, rewards of trading. I like that. That's really nice.
So I think I'm just going to make all the posts so it's all like August 12th, and then I'll just edit the content on the blog another day, and then the videos obviously come too, right? So
Okay, I guess, yeah.
let me edit all that now again. So
Investing basics, risk and reward. So are you gonna but you're gonna still keep the investing basic topics, or you're getting rid of that? Or never mind. You're just gonna get rid of within that. Okay, gotcha.
yeah, I'm gonna get rid of within this,
Okay.
and then I'll just go like risk return blog or something. So all these, whatever categories you come up with or any tangent you want to go on, anything you like kind of want to say in the video, just have a blog post on it. You know what I mean? Right now you could just have the heading. So you could just do something like a heading for each one. And all these headings I have here, I'm just going to move it to the blog. So right now, rewards of trading, risk of trading, success stories, failure stories, weighing the options. And, you know, as we go on, remember how like last month or whatever, when we were making the site, we started going on like building habits and shit.
Yeah,
so if we do that, maybe like next month, we come up with like some random shit, like, you know, make a schedule routine, then we just put it on the behavioral finance blog under like developmental skills or some bullshit, you know what I mean? Or mental fortitude, be like, yeah, develop a routine. Yeah, building habits, routine, and then just put it to like mental fortitude or something like that. Because I remember you saying a few days ago you wanted like constant rolling, kind of like couch potato, where it's just like constant topics and other things.
Yeah.
So we could just add it there, add the category, and then when you go to the homepage, if people are lazy, they're like, look at all these categories. What if you just want to see, I don't know, what's the rewards of trading? Boom.
Yeah. Wow.
Time to edit.
Okay. I think I know. That will be. Yeah, I'll get those topics up and running.
That sounds good.
Are you gonna trade?
I don't know. I missed the 2 trades that I wanted to do, the USD CAD, Euro USD, and then missed the Euro USD long or short. So I guess I'm basically done for the day. It's weird. Yeah, probably done.
I think I'm done too. Just for the fact, I think that was the reaction. We had the long move, and then now,
Man, this move over here, this was a move though. That was the one move, and then this is gonna be the second move right here.
Yeah. So, oh well, live and learn.
But now we have a nice like little top here. If it breaks that top, boom.
Yeah, I mean, I could imagine it just consolidating in these levels between like 18 and 1760.
Yeah.
And then just bouncing around. Then next leg up is on Thursday.
Yeah, I think Thursday. If this daily candle finishes bullish, I feel like Thursday, Friday, you're gonna get moves up.
Yeah, I agree. Because it's found support for sure.
Yeah, that's one thing we talked about in our analysis too. You could test like down here, which it did, and have a nice little move up. So we'll see. I think like 1850s might be like a pretty decent target from this area. But big ifs.
Big ifs.
Yeah, I got 50 minutes to work on the site before I go play ball, man.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
I'm gonna stick to this routine and schedule. But gonna end the stream. If you liked our calls that we didn't take but called it, you know, hit the subscribe button. We called it though.
We called it.
Yeah. Other than that, we'll see everybody tomorrow morning. I'll be on at 6. I kind of chilled it.
Yeah, no. Today was news day, so that's all good. But yeah, we'll be on at 6. Hope everyone has a great trading day and take care.